Did you know that your Galaxy S25 Ultra already has smart routine set up for you? You don't even need to create one from scratch. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Get the Best Media Experience section, select Streaming Video. Here's how it works. In the If section, it set the routine to run when you open YouTube. In the Then section, it turns on Wi-Fi, enables Dolby Atmos with auto, and set screen orientation to auto rotate. And in the When Routine End section, it restores Wi-Fi, Dolby Atmos, and screen orientation back to how they were before. At the bottom, you will see three icons: Edit, that you can use to customize the routine by adding or removing condition; Share, that you can use to send the routine to someone else; and Save, to save this routine to your routine list so you can use it anytime. So if you love streaming in YouTube, you don't have to set everything up each time. Just use this preloaded routine and let your Galaxy S25 Ultra handle the setting for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.